Hi everyone, it's Katie's Crafts here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY fortune teller. All you need for this really simple DIY is some paper and maybe some colored pens. I'm also going to be showing you how to use it, so it's fine if you don't know how to use them. I'll show you. So, as I said in my last video, I'm going to be giving shoutouts to people who say hashtag Craftification Squad in the comments. So here is the Crafter of the Week. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Let's get right on with this. So the first step is just to take any little piece of paper and then fold one of the corners in and then cut the remainder of it off so we can have a perfect square when we unfold it. So the next step is to just keep folding and folding and folding until you feel like you've done enough. Then unfold. For step 3, when you have your perfect square, you need to fold in all of those corners. Then, when you've folded in all the corners, flip it over and do the same thing as you did last time. So then, you want to flip it over, and after that, fold it in half. Then, just do what I'm demonstrating here. So how do you use it, may you ask? You just put your fingers into those little slot thingies and move them up and down. So to decorate it, you want to take some colored markers or whatever you like and just sort of scribble on the little flaps that you put your fingers into. Hi, I'm Future Katie, and I just want to say that if you have any suggestions for any videos, or if you have any questions for me for a Q&A video, then I'd love to see them in the comments. So then you want to unfold it like what I just did there, and you want to write any random numbers on each little triangle. Then write some fortunes on the inside of the flaps. I'm keeping mine a secret till the end of the video. Shh. So how do you play it? I'll show you. So you ask someone to pick a color. So in this one, I am going to choose pink. And then spell it out, so P-I-N-K. And then you choose a number and do it that many times. I think I chose 10. Then you want to choose a number again, and I'm going to show you what my fortunes are. So number 1 is you will smile. Number 2 is you will smash that like button, which you probably will do, hopefully. You will subscribe. You will turn notifications on. You will comment hashtag Craftification Squad. You will watch my other videos. You will tell your friends to subscribe. And you will eat a taco. Though seriously, everyone needs to eat a taco right now. So, do you want to put your fortune teller away neatly? Here's how. So, grab a bunch of other fortune tellers or make them. And there, make a tower. So here it is. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to do all those things that the fortune teller told you to do so you can get good luck. And if you want to shout out in my next video, comment down below hashtag Craftification Squad. I'm Katie's Crafts. You should subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you next week. Bye!